Yes, good afternoon all present here. This is Tariq Basha. I'm an MBA graduate, HR and marketing specialization. After I completing MBA, I joined in this institution. Have a 3 years experience in teaching. I take my topic is office management. Okay, simple. What is mean by management? So management is one of the vast concept. Simply, I'll say a group of person to working the particular task based on you people are known about the managing concept or features and etc. Okay. So task is very simple. The task is name is be on the team. The team wise you have to achieve the goals and target. It's very important. Nowadays the technology should be updated. Nowadays the technology should be updated. A modern management concept will be implemented. Okay. What is meant by modern management concept? So simple things. So what are the available resources in your organization? So based on you have to achieve the goals and target. So emerging the new ideas, a new strategy, as a new development. It's a very important. Next, after that, economical condition is a very important. It's based on economical condition. Each and every day or every month, the industry will be the growing up. Okay, what is meant by so what is the relationship between the industry and the economical condition? So based on the economical condition, so each and every company to growing. So what is the interrelated to the economical condition to the industry? Okay, fine. Next, every winding market poses the challenge. So without challenge, we can't do anything. So every day, a person to face the challenges. So after completing the challenges, you people are to learn about one of the nice experience. Okay. Meaning. Okay, what is meant by meaning? Office work is concerned primarily on the records, using on the record and the preserving them the future. Okay, based on office management is based on the record maintenance. It's the first important. Second thing is you have to maintain the backup data, you have to maintain the interior and the table, chairs and furniture and etc. Nowadays, the modern management to implement it, the next level, you have to be every data you have to maintain the soft copy. The soft copy it means so based on the system, a laptop, any others. Fine. The office place for the transacting the business. Okay, every business is a transaction. Okay, out is the possible. The transaction is called the clerical room. So what is the role of the manager? So what is the role of the accountant? So this thing is a very important. The office management. Okay. Next. What is the reason the most of the author the highly importance to the office management? Okay, first of all, what is meant by office management? A clear definition is about office may be defined a place where the clerical work is done order to. So you have to coordinate is very important because of every organization is depend upon the coordination. So without coordination we can't do anything. The coordination it means the teamwork. Do you know expansion of the team? So TEAM, so together everyone and achieve more. So without teamwork we can't do anything. So based on the teamwork, the one of the day, so after the next day, the office management is successful. So definition, the office is the administrative center of the business. Okay, what is meant by administration? People are to complete in the MBA and BBA. So graduate need known about. Okay, what is meant by administration? So administration is the authority, the power and control. Okay, what is the reason the organization to create the management and the administration? The purpose is very simple. The first, you have to provide the service and communication the record. First of all, the management to provide a clear set of the goal. This is the way you have to complete the work. So this is the strategy you have to make it out. You have to be the smart worker. So this is the way you have to create the strategy. It's a hard worker. So the management to provide the proper guidelines to the each and every employee. This is called the management. Fine. Simple. What is meant by office work? So the basic office work is traditionally office works to regarded the place where record and created. You have to create the record and you have to maintain the record. Fine. Okay. How it is to create the record? So the record maintenance is one of the real-time example is the education institution. The both and schools and colleges you have to only the academician. So any other CBSE school or matriculation school or the deemed institution. Any other college you have to maintain the proper record. So record maintenance is very important. The office management, the other part is the record maintenance. Fine. Next is what is the reason you have to be maintain the record? So basic things is very important. So what is the office or activity? it means that processing the inward mail and processing the outward mail. So what is meant by inward mail? What is meant by outward mail? So most of all, your client is some other country as UK, US, Japan and China. You have to send the mail, you have to receive the mail. Next is the dictation. What is meant by dictation? You have to maintain in the meeting minutes is very, very important. Each and every day, the chief executive officer to conduct the meeting, you have to clear the some other, this is, you have to manage, this is today your roles and responsibility. You have to maintain the manpower. Next, your supervisor, you have to supervise the employee. Next, the team leader, you have to coordinate the team. So it's a very, very important. Next, typing and printing and copying is one of the clerical work. Okay, most of the documents, most of the data is typing and printing and copying and filing. Next, retrieval of the record is a very, very important. So each and every day, the corporate company to maintain so many recorded. So record maintenance is a very, very important. You have to maintain the separate system or any other computer. You have to maintain the record. You have to be disposal the record. It means nowadays the 2021, one of the waste of the record you have to be disposal. So these all the things is a very, very important based on the communication. Once when you have the proper communication, you have to communicate the employee and the supervisor is a very, very important. Next, okay, office activity. It means that on the 2021, the modern management will be updated. How the modern management will be updated? You people are known about the famous order Henry Fayol and T.W. Taylor. Nowadays, the Philip Kotler. So, the famous order to derive the modern office management is carefully and meticulously to organize. Okay, what is meant by meticulously? It's a meticulously. It means a very, very careful to the handle to the modern management. So every day the technology will be updating. The office management will be updating. How the office management will be updated? Okay. The scope of the office activity to tremendously and the result of the spectacular advancement in the science and technology. So based on the office management to develop based on the science and technology. So what is meant by science and what is meant by technology? So industrialization. Nowadays, after GDP, gross domestic product implementation, the industrialization concept is a very, very important. Based on the industrialization, how the product will be produced. So based on the product, the office management to prepare the record. Okay, nowadays 150 done or 200 goods manufacturing in this our company. Goods is any other automobile goods or spinning goods or any other goods. Okay. In today, the modern office going to be the performed by the main clerical to specialized person. So once you have to appoint the one specialized person, you have to give the proper guidance to the each and every employee. So every day the person to waiting for any other person to guide to me. So guidance. So guidance is a very, very important. Based on the guidance, the modern office management each and every day will be developed. Fine. Next, filing and indexing and procedure. Okay, what is meant by filing and what is meant by indexing? Okay, you have to maintain the file. It's very, very important. Indexing is as per you have to maintain the file. The indexing, what are the data is a very, very important on the primary data or secondary data. So you people are no more. So you have to collect the fresh data is called the primary data. Fine. You have to collect the already someone person to collect the data is called the secondary data. So filing and indexing is a very, very important. Based on the filing and indexing, the organization to grow in the next level of the industry. Fine. Next. It's a basic thing. So function of office. The first basic function is you have to receiving the information. As an authority, the chief executive officer or managing director or general manager, you have to receive the information. You have to send the information. So what is the information? Okay, today's work. Now our company to be, the annual turnover is 50 crore. So next after 3 months, after 1 year or 2 years, the turnover will be to the double. So maybe 1 crore or 2 crore or 7 crore maybe. So based on how the CEO to guide the managing director and employee is a very, very important. Fine. Next, recording the information. Okay, what is meant by recording? So recording is a very, very important. It means recording is the office record to information to receive a purpose of the future reference. In case after 5 years or 2 years, a government inspection, so maybe the income tax inspection, you have to maintain the record. You have to be submit to the government or some other person. Fine. So recording information is a very important. Next, arranging and analyzing the information. So n number of the information available in your organization, you have to be, first of all, you have to arrange. So this information is a highly confidential. So this information is only known about the top level management. Next, so these are all the information is a common information. So this information is known about the middle level management. So next, lower level management, this information is equal for all. So both the employee or the gatekeeper or some other, every person is known about this information. The organization to consider these three categories are very important. This is the arranging and analyzing the information. Fine. Next, okay, supplying the information. So you people are known about the supplying concept. So supply chain management, when the product is produced and end of the customer. Okay, the office also supplied the information is the outsider and like the supplier to customer. Okay, you people are known about a customer is a king of the market. The management purpose to taking the decision at the problem solving. So what is meant by problem solving and what is meant by decision making? So it means that you have to solve the problem and you have to make a decision. So this thing is one of the successful management. The successful management is the office management is a very important. So now the vast concept is office management. So maybe our 100 or 150 authors to tell about the theories about. End of the day, how it is that these things are the possible? So very simple. Based on coordination. So without coordination, we can't do anything. Coordination, it means that office also coordinate to activities that different individual. Most of the different roles and different responsibility to play the organization, a manager or supervisor or team leader. So each and every person to coordinate to the target to the particular goal. Fine. The goal is very simple. Be a marketing person. So when I was working in the marketing industry, my target is very simple. I was working in the Tablets India, the company. My target is every month is the 1 lakh target. At the 15th date or 20th day, I have to reach the 60 to 70%. So after 30%, it's very difficult. So I have to, I'm waiting for the proper guidance to my team leader or some other. So how it is, what is I'm trying to say is the coordination. So teamwork is a very important. Next, the public relation. Okay, one of the famous concept is that PRO, so public relation officer. So this person is to work. You have to create the so corporate social responsibility. So our company to the people. So you have to create the relationship. The relationship is based on the one of the trust-oriented relationship. So the purpose of the public relation to create a good image. So good image, it means the organize the internal people of the organizing committee. Fine. Next, the office organization. Second concept, auxiliary function. So first function is the basic function, the second is the auxiliary function. Okay. What is meant by auxiliary function? So organizing the office. So you have to organize the office. You have to face the problem, you have to make a decision, and you have to, once the employee maybe the dispute, and another the employee to need the high level salary, the employee to need the grievances, some other employee to complain, the restroom is not fair about the organization, the canteen facility, the etc. some other. Next, development of the system and procedure. So development, this is one of the basic so question mark of the organization. Why? What is meant by development? So development, it means in the year of 2021 we have to maintain the record in the hand working. Okay. After 2 years you have to maintain the record as a system. It is called the development. Okay. In the year of 2021 we have to maintain the normal machinery. So after 1 or 2 years we have to purchase the Japanese machinery and the Singapore machinery is called the development. So development, all job is the interdependent to the interrelated. Okay, how it is the interdependent and interrelated. What is the term of the interdependent and interrelated? It means basically I complete the MBA marketing. Some of the managers say, you go and supervise to the packaging department. So nothing, I don't know about the packaging department. So that time the manager said, so a person to playing the multitasking. You don't know about, you have to learn the simple thing. So where is the way of the development? Next. Procurement of the office furniture. Okay, what is meant by office furniture? Once a person to enter the company, one of the MNC company or some other company, the interior decoration is maybe our 1 crore or 2 crore based on is the environment. So this environment to change the people mindset. So people are working the productively. So procurement of the office furniture. Okay. As per the speed and the quality of the office work, it depends upon the environment. So environment is there's a two type, and the internal environment and external environment. The manager should be purchased the right type of the office material. So everything is a manager. So without manager we can't do anything. Okay. Next auxiliary function is the procurement of the office stationery and supplier. So this is a real-time example in school and colleges. Okay, each and every day the stationery procurement is available in the school and colleges. To increase the efficiency, you have to provide the quality of the product is a very important. Next, safeguarding the asset. So asset is a very important. Safeguarding, it means the first of all the office safeguard, it means the organizing the against the loss or damages. Next, performance of the personal function. It means, say, end of the performance is a very important. The office to take the responsibility to certain the personal function. Okay, it means next. The auxiliary function. The last concept is a performance of the function. So the management, each and every day the management will be updated. The modern management concept will be updated. Once again, so most of the authors said, so this is the criteria, this is the function. So each and every employee have to follow these criteria. The management will be the successful management. Once again, I thank you very much.